Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products.
Today, we're diving into what I consider the best powered reel mower on the market, the Great States 815 18-inch 5-blade push reel lawn mower. Now, what sets the Great States 815-18 apart from the competition?
Let's start with its impeccable design and build quality.
This mower is a testament to durability, featuring a sturdy metal construction and precision-engineered 5-blade cutting system.
But what really makes this mower stand out is its performance.
With a cutting width of 18 inches and adjustable cutting heights ranging from 0.5 to 2.75 inches, it ensures a clean, even cut every time. And thanks to its high-quality alloy steel blades, you can say goodbye to frequent sharpening. Assembly is a breeze with the Great States 815-18. You'll be up and mowing in no time, without the need for any special tools.
Plus, its lightweight design and cushioned grips make it a pleasure to maneuver, even in tight spaces. And let's not forget about its eco-friendly design.
Being motorless means it operates without emitting any noise or fumes, making it not only a great choice for your lawn but also for the environment. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a powered reel mower that delivers exceptional performance, durability, and eco-friendliness, look no further than the Great States 815 18-inch 5-blade push reel lawn mower.
Trust me, your lawn will thank you.
That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product critiques.
Until next time, happy mowing!